Hello Thomas, hello YouTube, Thomas here again. Well, today I'm smoking Mac Baren plum cake in my Brebbia, one of my favorite pipes. I have just wake up, it's now 1 p.m. about. I have worked night time at my work at a pulp factory, and I have one more night to work and then I'm free for 17 days. That would be nice. As all you see, maybe you have noticed that I haven't comment so many of your vids the last week or two, but I have been really busy, not have time for looking all the vids and catching up and comment. Just a few of you I have comment. I'm sorry for that. I try to comment every video I like and I see, but it doesn't mean I not like your videos. I don't have time. I'm sorry. And I really appreciate the comments I get and the thumbs up I get, so I think you all do the same. So this is my way for say I'm sorry. I'm gonna be better to comment your videos. Pipe's nearly running out. Just have the last sip here. See if I can relight it. It's a little bit windy today, but it's a nice sunny day. About 20 degrees I think, maybe 22 in the shade, Celsius. My last video I was out camping with a caravan, it was really nice. It was a nice place, but it was just 15 kilometers from home, so it was near to go back home. But that's not the point to go far away with the family. The point is to be together and enjoy and have fun. This Mac Baren plum cake, it's nice if you smoke it slowly, or else it burns your tongue a little bit. It's still from the pouch I bought that was very very dry, that I rehydrated. I really want to try the tin version that's never have been dried out. I think that should be better. So I'm planning to get to Denmark next month or so. Maybe I try to find a tin of this tobacco so I can compare. Just the last of it. I really don't have anything to say. I just get in the mood for making a video, say hello, catch up a little bit, having a pipe. I have a small project going on. I don't know, maybe I make a video about that. It's not so small problem, it's quite a big problem, a big project. I have a minivan, a Peugeot 800. That's engine is fucked up. Sorry for my language. The head gasket has blown but that's not a big problem. There was, I think there were coming water cooling media in the cylinder on the night time when the head gaskets were kaput. So in the morning when I started up, it was the piston couldn't get up, so the conrod get bent. So I have pulled the engine apart. If you know the Peugeot 807 and you see the bonnet and the engine on it, you open the bonnet is a little bonnet and the engine is under the instrument panel. So it's not easy to do anything, but after taking away all the wipers and all the shit on there, I get a little bit of space. I can come down to the engine and put a mirror in the back, so I can take off the head. But the head were okay. The wheels are okay. The gaskets were fucked. And when I rotate the engine, the pistons, the 1 and the 4th, were not in the same level at the top. It was 4 millimeters different. So I thought, that's not good. I crawl under the engine, take down the sump, take off the conrod from the crankshaft, and push the piston up, and took up the piston, and I saw the conrod, it was bent. I spent a lot of time on that FK car. So that's one thing that made me busy, and now I'm trying to find a new conrod, but that's nearly impossible. I can buy 4 new, I can't buy 1 new, and 4 new that cost 7,400 Swedish kronor, and that's 1,000, nearly $1,100, and I need one. And it's a 2.2 liter benzene engine, so they're not so common. I can't find any second hand, and I can find a whole engine, but that's too expensive. So I must call around the scrap yards if they have a kaput engine, so I can take the conrod from. I hope I can find one. Well, that's one of my projects. Taking a lot of time and costs a lot of money. Well, the pipe is finished. So, enough with complaining. Take care of your friends, take care of your loved ones, take care of your family, because they are the most important persons in your life. And smoke the pipe, because that's what they're made for. Till next time, bye.